So the G7 summit is a couple of days away. It's kicking off mainly between the 11th and the 13th is the main event. And so as this is happening right on my doorstep, and I am a nosy git, today I took a little tour to see what was going on around the Carbis Bay and St Ives G7 area. Also, I'm running in my new motorbike at the moment, so any excuse to go for a ride, to be perfectly honest with you. So they block off the main roads into that area on the 10th, and only locals with ID will be able to get through. But currently you can still get in and out, more or less. As you're driving along Carbis Bay, there's not a huge amount to see because most of the areas are already blocked off. But on the way into St Ives, I think I saw more police than I've ever seen in my life. There's probably literally one police person for every street light as you're going along there, or more. Down here in Cornwall, spotting a policeman is probably a pretty infrequent thing, to be honest, so this does seem a little bit surreal when you see this many police all together. Here's some shots of the St Ives Harbour from the Malakoff. Looking pretty lively. Then driving along the harbour was very slow going. But to be honest, summer crowds tend to make this road pretty slow going anyway, so this isn't out of the ordinary for St Ives this time of year. But I did notice a lot of people queuing and some of them literally fighting for parking spaces, and many idiots parked illegally with fines slapped on them. So yeah, maybe don't bring your car into St Ives anytime soon. The island itself, which is the bit that sticks out of St Ives, wasn't actually too bad. The car parks had 0 spaces, but the beaches are pretty lively, but not insane. Here's Porthmeor looking lovely. And Porthmeor is looking pretty busy, although I have seen it busier. Maybe later on the day it will liven up a bit more. It is a little surreal though, seeing these large military vessels and aircraft around our part of the country. We've had formations of, I think they're Osprey helicopters, great big things, really, really loud, flying low over sort of famous landmarks and right over our house a couple of times. A bunch of those were landing on St Michael's Mount as well the other day. And generally, so these big military ships, next to little fishing boats, sailing boats, and just sort of behind surfers and stuff, does seem a bit incongruous, a bit odd. But anyway, it's only for a few days, and for many of us locals, it's a bit of a minor inconvenience. It's a bit of a novelty, to be honest. It's not a big deal. So anyway, hopefully it all goes smoothly, and we don't get any unpleasant dramas. I hope everything goes well. And there you go, there's a little look at this area just before the G7 and when they close everything down properly.